outside of a lot of the structure changes that we've made, which I think have been really exciting, and I think we're set up really well, have been the last couple of years, and I think going forward, I think it gives us the ability to scale our business and serve our customers the way they expect to be served. But we made a couple of acquisitions in the last couple of years, and Lee Patterson was an acquisition that we made in 2019, early 2019, started in March or so. And they're down in Florida, actually longer in business than us. 1947, I think, is when they were their business started, and it had been a business that had been handed through or purchased through some generations. And we had several of our vendor partners had asked us for a couple of years about business in Florida. And so anyways, we had that conversation. It was a great add for us because when you look at Assemble, Move, and Coat, they did one of the three things that we do. They were primarily almost exclusively finishing. They had a little bit of tool business, but almost exclusively finishing. So for us, it was a footprint add, right, in a place that we did some business in down in Florida, but it was also an opportunity to take sort of the rest of the Air Power business model to be able to service those customers. So that was super exciting for us. And then in July, actually, of this year, Zenmar up in Cockeysville, Maryland, was an acquisition that we made. And I'm so excited about that team and that group of people and what they bring to Air Power. Again, one of the three things. They were more on the tool and material handling side of our business. And so we're super excited about the ability to take, the finishing and the sealants and adhesives and be able to bring that. They've got a service team. They've got installation team. So that really is accretive to the team that we already have. So now we've got a bigger team with a broader skill set, a greater opportunity to cross-train, which is exciting for us, and then be able to bring that same model and that same value to the customers up in that region. So I just wanted to hit that before we kind of got done. Super excited about those businesses and bolting those on to Air Power and becoming part of this family and being able to continue to serve customers in new markets. So.
Yeah, I've been exposed to the team in Florida with Lee Patterson, which is now Air Power. Great team down there. I've done just recently, in the last couple of weeks, was down there working with that team. And then
great presence, really strong, brand name down there.
Respected for a long history in Florida, and you're right. Air Power brings another bag of tricks to their mix of products, and strengthens that. And then I've met Lauren out of the Maryland Zenmar, but that's it. I worked with a couple individuals on the phone, but that's scheduled for first quarter. I know I'll be up there working with those teams there, so I'm looking forward to it.
That's a great team up there too, and the other thing that brings, right? So one of the things that team did, much like Lee Patterson, right? Not only do we bring benefit to them, they certainly bring skill sets, but they also have other partnerships. So there are some new partnerships, right, that have been founded. I mean, you think about, it's not about brand proliferation, right, but it's about, we pride ourselves on partnering with and providing the best solutions in the marketplace. And so there's some really powerful additional brands and relationships
like Harrington,
like Gorbel, Southworth, Interpack. Those are some big brand names, right, and great product in the market. Customers, those names resonate with customers.
Right.
And so those are really exciting to be able to sort of bring those on board and also be able to...
Well, you look at the impact of that. You look how just in the last month and a half, that relationship with Interpack translated to communication between Interpack and Air Power corporate, which turned into that being handed over to marketing department, which I work with.
Yep.
So myself and the team in the marketing department, we actually got Jerome Wood, who's one of our top application specialists on the tool side, that did a live filming with, was that Facebook Live?
I don't
remember that. It was a live event that took place over social media, and it was fantastic. But that 100% comes from that relationship being fostered from Air Power acquiring Zenmar, which shows exactly why our company does those types of things. It's easy to acquire somebody just because they have some existing sales. It's another thing to think about acquiring a company strategically because it marries like products together or similar processes together that make us more powerful as a company product offering
Yeah.
in the field.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's also, I mean, just that process. I think that what can get taken for granted easily is the cultural fit, right? But in both of those cases, just the people that have been involved there, it's been a really great cultural fit. I think with sort of who we are and what we do has fit in really well with Lee Patterson team and the Zenmar team as well. So that's exciting. I think we're super excited to have them, both of them, and I think they're super excited to be here. I think they see the opportunities that we bring to the table, and we certainly see the opportunities that they bring to the table. So.